Hey, it's Chris from the channel that rocks that never stops. This is the channel, the quintessential channel for off-roading, Jeeps, and all that stuff. Anyways, hey, today I'm gonna get through all that. It's a rainy, crappy day here in Northern California. We're in the foothills of the Sierras, and we've got a bunch of rain squalls that are coming in. So I'm gonna film this really quick because I don't like to waste time, and I want to provide the best content for my viewers. But anyways, we're going to change out a map sensor today. Map sensor on a 2007 Jeep JK Wrangler. And this is the 3.8. They only made the 3.8s from 2007 to 2011. Then after that was the Pentastar. Different animal. This is for you guys. So let's get into it. My camera gear's getting wet, but let's talk about what a map sensor is and where it is and how it's important to your Jeep, your mileage, and many other things. So, hey, thanks for coming along, man. Let's get to it. Okay, under the hood here, it's raining like crazy. But like I said, man, I want to provide content. I'm all about that. Yeah, welcome. I love you guys. We're going to do it. Do it. So anyways, let's pull this thing out, man. We're going to talk about it. I'm just going to pull it out right now because I'm getting soaked. All right, so anyways, here it is right here. Sits on top of the back of the intake manifold. Clip here, red clip. Forward. It's got a little pushy thing here. A typical Jeep connector. You guys can see that. It just comes right out like that, right? So that's out. Put the plug aside. We're gonna rotate this guy counterclockwise like that. And there we go. There it is. That's the old one. Oh, there's no O-ring left on that thing. Jeez. That's probably part of the problem. Let's talk about this, man. So we got it out, quick and easy. Let's go into the shop where it's dry. So anyways, we're in the shop. I pulled it out. You guys make me go out in these harsh conditions. You know, women and children are scared. They're inside because it's raining like I said, a cow pissing on a stone. But anyways, enough about that. Here it is. We pulled it out. It's all gunky. It looks like shite, whatever. So what is it? And why do you need one? Well, let me tell you, right here, right now. So, bad map sensor caused a lot of problems. So you're talking about that thing. I just pulled out the little plastic twisty thing. It's a Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, AKA a map sensor, not a map sensor, but a map sensor. So these things only last from like 125,000 to like 150,000 miles. My Jeep has, it's an 07. I've had it since I bought it in 2007. So I know the vehicle worked very well. So I'm going to change all these things out as a preventative measure. But I'm starting to see some little problems. Low engine power, engine stall. Mileage has gone down. Little rough idle, misfire. Sometimes the engine light comes on, sometimes it doesn't. But you know, there might be some gremlin somewhere else in there. But anyways, it's gonna throw codes. If this thing goes out, I just pulled out that item, you're gonna get a lot of codes. You get like a P0107 or a P0106 or a P0105 or a P0108. There's one more. Oh, P0109. So if your scan tool, whatever you're showing those, it might be simply just a bad map sensor. So anyways, let's talk about the things that it does. And I don't want to be lengthy in here. I know you guys are all busy getting ready for dinner, all that stuff. Hey, I was going to tell you, I put a hot dog stand out here, and we have some inflatable reptiles for the kids. So bring them on down, man. You know, and we'll feed them hot dogs, make some hamburgers, all that good stuff. Yeah, see, I'm here for you. So let's get to this. So anyways, we just pulled it out. Like I said, I wanted to talk a little about what it does. Anyways, so the map sensor, the manifold pressure sensor. Basically, what it does, the whole purpose of this thing, the little plastic piece of crap we pulled out of there, is to provide manifold pressure to the power control module, which is the brains of the whole operation. This guy right here, look at it. Look at it! Anyways, so this pretty much runs all your engine controls in here. So this thing is going to detect anomalies, and it uses from the map, if I can remember right, this is all off the top of my head, uses the information from the map sensor to provide the perfect air/fuel ratio. That's right. Now I remember. What kind of amateur am I? Jeez, trying to make a video here. So what happens is if the PCM, the brains of the operation, I wish we had one of these in our government right now, it'd be nice, was going to read all this, and if the PCM reads more air coming in, it's going to provide more fuel, obviously. Okay, it's going to provide more fuel. If it reads less air coming in from that little plastic thing, it's going to provide less fuel. So that thing's pretty critical. I mean, it's, you know, needs to be in there. So like I said, it sits in the back there. We'll talk a little bit more about it. I'm going to change it out. I got a new one. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so the old one's out. Obviously, we're just going to get down to the meat of the video. And you guys are busy people. You have things to do. Anyways, so that's the old one. That's the old map sensor. Looks pretty gunked up and pretty crappy inside. So anyway, they got a new one. Here's the part number. Blah, blah, blah. Got it. All right. Anyways, hey, so let's do a comparison, a side-by-side comparison of the old one with the new one. So this is what we got. So obviously, for our viewing audience, the one on the right is the new one. Okay. So look at the, excuse me, difference there. Too many burritos this morning. I think, look at the O-ring too. You know, it's kind of compressed on the old one. I think this thing is done. So anyways, so we're going to put the new one in. And I told you how it works and how it makes a big difference in your driving experience. So anyways, let's pop the new one in here and break it off. Okay, well, hey, let's put the new one in. What do you think? You up for that? What I like to do, you guys can see this, the light sucks and it's starting to rain again. Anyway, I just like to right on the inside of the hole here, you know, no glory holes here. Some of you guys will get that. But anyways, just like to clean around, kind of just dip down and kind of with a shop rag and kind of just, you know, if there's any debris or anything in there, a little carburetor spray isn't going to hurt if you kind of just, you know, get it in there a little bit. Makes for a better transition, kids. All right, let's do that. All right, here it is. Let's stick it in the hole. Well, it didn't sound very good, but you know what I mean. If you're gonna stick it in the hole, always wear a hat. Safety first, kids. Okay, so came out opposite, rinse and repeat. So I'm going this way, obviously it's gonna rotate clockwise pattern. Nice and easy like I thought it would. There, ba-bing. Rotate it clockwise till it locks, like that. And you grab your handly plug and you just hook the damn thing back up. How hard was that? Click, boom. All right, so we're secure. It's in. All right, you excited? I'm fired up about it. That was easy. Well, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Starting to rain again. Yeah, those are the deers that shit in my yard every day. Thank you, guys. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, and you too, Mr. Straggler. Well, there you go. There you go. That's the way to change it out, man. Do the map thing. Mapping it out. We'll wrap it up. Go inside. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Sorry, I went down and had a hamburger today. And I asked the lady, she goes, well, they're now made with 100% real beef, right? 100% real beef. And I asked her, you know, what were you making these things out of before? Anyways, hey, love you guys. Hey, hope you enjoyed the humor. I can't make boring videos anymore. I just can't. I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyways, you guys have a good day. It's Chris from Northern California, where it's raining again. It's in November of 2023. Take care of yourselves, man. I'll see you on the next video.